Hey guys, Matt Fabi with Chris Reeve Knives here at Blade Show 2018 talking about our new knife, the Impinda. It's a slip joint that we did with Bill Harsey, and we're very excited about this knife. It's been well received so far. What we have going on here is a lock mechanism that as of yesterday is patent pending, and we have a 1 pound draw tension to a 5 pound tension to close the knife. That was something that Bill was able to achieve with this part of the mechanism right here. If you take a look at this, in the closed position, the outer part of the spring, which is further out and higher up, is holding the blade closed. There's less tension at this part of the spring. When we open the knife, this portion that is lower and further in is what's holding the blade open. That's how we were able to achieve 2 different tensions when the knife is open versus closed, which is a pretty worthwhile and significant upgrade to a slip joint as far as we see it. It's been well received, and we're very excited to be bringing this to the show. These will start production immediately, and the first 40 that we brought with us are already out of stock at this point in time. So we're very excited to get one of these in your hands. We hope that you love it as much as we do.